Check this out, party people. I got this jet. We're gonna fly over by the storm. Check it out, he's way out there. And he's about to fly by this storm. And this storm is something, dude. I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's been taking forever to get here. It's been brewing. Brewing. There we go on. Look, he's going right in those clouds. There he is. Check him out. He's in there. Holy shit. Surprised he's not going above that. He's going right in there. Unless he's going to land, he's lower than those damn things. That's crazy. Let's go over here. We'll get him. Look at this. Get him on this side. Look at these clouds, dude. They're freaking unbelievable. Should be coming out over here. Whew. Alright. Yeah, it's about to rain. I can feel it. Alright. I thought I beat him over here. Did they beat me over here? Where's that jet at? Did it turn? The hell did it do? You saw I was following the jet. You guys see it? I thought we were following the jet. What the hell? Dude, we were following that jet. Man, I don't know where he went to. You guys saw that, right? Huh. Missing jet. I was just filming it, running over here to go catch it on this side. Nope.